I haven't been to Starbucks in over 2 years and I'm not planning on ever going back. So when I'm craving a pumpkin spice Frappuccino, I just make it at home with much better for you ingredients. I use the frozen banana, pumpkin puree, coffee, coconut milk, and I even added chia seeds for some extra fiber. I put a splash of vanilla, lots of pumpkin pie spice, and for a boost of protein and probiotics, I add a scoop of Bloom's colostrum and collagen peptides. I love that it's grass-fed, doesn't have any nasty additives, and I know it's supporting my gut health and immunity. Then I added a little ice, gave it a good blend, and that's it. It's so good, definitely satisfied my craving, but without any of the guilt. Let me know when you try it. I love hearing your feedback. So yum.